Hi everyone! Okay, so this is question 1 of the revision questions that document with 11 questions in total. So the question is, let x be equal to 7.94. Calculate the value of this, 2x plus 1 divided by x to the power 3. So we have a function, this is fx, and that is 2x plus 1 divided by x to the power 3. Okay, so now they say what x is. So they say x is equal to 7.94. So what we're going to do, this is quite simple. We're just going to plug that in. So we're going to do the f of 7.94 is equal to, so we take the function, we do 2 times 7.94 plus 1, and we divide by 7.94 to the power 3. And when you do that, you get the answer with your calculator. It's 0.0337. Okay, so this should be your answer to question 1. That's the value of 2x plus 1 divided by x to the power 3. Then B, give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So we have 0.0337. If we want 3 decimal places, we simply have to round this, right? So that becomes 0.034, right? Because we've got a 7 up here, so this one becomes a 4. 0.034. So this is the answer to B1. I give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Write your answer to B1 as a percentage. So how do we write this as a percentage? Well, we know that, for example, 1% is 0.01, right? That is simply 1 divided by 100. So percentage is always dividing by 100. So if we have 0.034, that is simply 3.4 divided by 100. So this is 3.4%. So this is your answer, 3.4%. Yeah? Okay, and then the question, I'm going to do it up here. Give your answer to part BI in the form a times 10 to the power k, where a is a value between 10 and 1. So basically we have to rewrite it in this form, and k is an integer. So this means this is an element of the integer set. So we have, we have 3.4%. So that is 0.034. So we want a value that is between 1 and 10. So this is basically 3.4, but we have, we divide it by 100. So it's 3.4 times 10 to the power minus 2. You see? So it's 3.4 times 10 to the power minus 2, or 3.4 divided by 100, right? That's what we do. When we have a negative exponent, this means 1 over 10 to the power 2. So this is also 1 over 100. So we divide 3.4 by 100. Okay, so this is your answer to question C. Yeah, and actually, so what would k be? K is -2, right? Because this is our k, but you're not asked to do that. You can just write this down. Okay, so this is question 1. This is for you to practice a little bit with notation and stuff like that. All right, see ya.